Welcome to in front of me HUAWEI P9 Lite, and I'll show you how to take the series of the pictures on this device. So first you should go into the camera application, and now as can you see by a simple touch on the camera icon here we can take only one picture. And just to take a series of the picture you should press this camera app, and here you can see that we just make the 18 photos in one time. So you can see by this way, just to press and hold the camera camera button, you can make more pictures at once, so you can make the series of the pictures. And then when you just go here to your camera gallery, here you can click on this photos icon, and you can select one from this picture that just you will like, not just one, just a couple of pictures if you would like some of them. And then just you can save only, for example, the 5 from 16, or you can also save all of them, or you just can delete all of these pictures in this series. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.